In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Yahoo Mail with two-step verification. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn it on and choose the verification method that fits you best, so your account stays much harder for anyone else to access. First, open your browser, go to yahoo.com and sign into your account as you normally do. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account to open your account settings. On the left side or in the main dashboard, find the security section and open it. This is where you'll manage sign-in settings and add that extra layer of protection. Find the two-step verification option. You'll see a message explaining that. To sign in, you'll enter your password and then complete a second step to verify it's really you. Go ahead and turn it on or continue through the prompts until you see the option to enable it. When the turn on two-step verification button appears, click it. Now you'll choose your verification method. If you prefer a quick tap to approve sign-ins, select push notification and follow the on-screen steps. Yahoo will guide you to set up approvals on a trusted device. This is convenient if you regularly use the same phone. If you'd rather receive a code, choose phone number. You can select an existing number on your account or add a new one. Make sure it's a number you control and have with you. Yahoo will send a verification code. Enter that code to confirm and finish setup. For a method that works even when you're offline, select Authenticator app. Click Authenticator app, then open your Authenticator on your phone. Choose the option to add a new account and scan the QR code shown on your screen. Your app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter that code back on Yahoo to confirm. Once that's done, your app will keep generating codes you can use anytime you sign in. If you own a hardware security key, you can choose security key and follow the prompts to register it. This is a strong phishing-resistant option that's great if you carry a physical key. After setup, each time you sign in, you'll enter your password and complete your chosen second step. Keep your recovery options up to date and make sure you can access whichever method you select, especially when traveling or changing devices. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail is now protected with two-step verification.